Dear students, happy morning one and all. Now revisions for ninth lesson social studies, the lively East, third standard, part 1. So listen once. First one, here the names of a few cities, Eastern India, and color the capital cities. Here hints also here given. Hints, look at the map, page number 27. Listen once. So first, this is only colors. Kolkata. The same method. Itanagar, Ranj and Dishpur, Aiswat. So this is 5. 4 ones you can give to the color. This is only city's name. So next, hard words. Can read the hard words. First one, Eastern India. EASTERN, Eastern India, INDIA, India. Next, Kolkata. KOLKATA, Kolkata. West Bengal, WEST, West Bengal, BENGAL, West Bengal. Next, higher, river ugly, RIVER, river, HUGLI, ugly, river ugly. Next one, Howrah Beach. So the Howrah Beach, HOWRAH, Howrah Bridge, 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 Howrah Bridge. Rabindranath Setu, RABINDRA, Rabindra Setu, 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 Rabindranath Setu, and Vidyasagar Setu, VIDYASAGAR, Vidyasagar Setu, SETU, Setu. Next one, West Bengal, the already read, Kolkata, earlier called the Kolkata. Kolkata is only Kolkata. Second, this is one hard words, can read well. Next one, this also hard words, weather. Weather spelling WEARTHER, weather. Woman, WOMEN, woman. So next, Bangla, BANGALE, Bangla. This also you can read, language. And Rasagulla, Durga Puja, fish curry. Fish curry, FISH, fish curry, SURRY, fish curry. And Rasagulla, RASSOGULLA, Rasagulla. Durga Puja, DURGA, Durga Puja, 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 Durga Puja. So this is the hard words. Next, Victoria Memorial, Victoria and Memorial, VICTORIA, Victoria Memorial, MEMORIAL, Victoria Memorial. Planetarium, PLANETARIUM, Planetarium. Football, FOOT, football, PALL, football. The Science City, SAINCE, Science Cities, CITY, City, Science City. So this is hard words, can read. Next one, true or false. This is true or false. So first one, true or false. First questions, the Vidyasagar Setu is built on river Ganga. This is not river Ganga, not. So false. This is only false. FALSE, false. Second one, most people in Kolkata speak Bangla. True. Most people Kolkata in Bangla language. So next, Bhubaneswar has many temples. Yes, true. TRUE, true. Okay. Next, fourth one, Bigu. Bigu is the main festival celebrated in Guwahati. Yes, true. So this is true or false, can read well. Next one, answer the following also. Question answer. Answer this, mark it's this lesson. Second, see and read. Next, read and answer. Tick the correct answer. First part. Tick the correct answer. First one. First question. The city is situated on the banks of river Hugli. What answer? Kolkata. KOLKATA, Kolkata. Second one. In Bhubaneswar, most people speak Odia. ODIA, Odia. Next, river Brahmaputra flows through Guwahati. GUWAHATA, Guwahati. Fourth one, the war cemetery is an Kohima, H-O-K-I-M-A, Kohima, K-O-H-I-M-A, Kohima. Next one, Jaipur is famous its pink city. Sorry, handicraft, Handicrafts, handicraft. Ranchi is in Chaharhan, H-A-R-K, Chaharhan, H-A-N-D, Chaharhan. So this is only tick the correct answers. Next, give one word answer. One word answer is very important. This is going to answer the following also. These are questions as first question, which is the only city in India where tram are still in use? Kolkata, first one. Kolkata, Kolkata. Second one, in which city are the Gandhagiri caves? Near Bhubaneswar. Near near Bhubaneswar, Bhubaneswar, Bhubaneswar. And third questions, which is the main festival of Gaugati? Bigu, B-I-H-U, Bigu. Next one, fourth one, which language do most people speak in Kohima? Angami, A-N-G-A-M-I, Angami. Fifth one, which river flows near Raipur? Mahanadi, M-A-H-A-N-A-D-I, Mahanadi. Sixth one, which city is also known as the city of waterfalls? Ranchi, R-A-N-C-H-I, Ranchi. So this is only one word answer. So you can read well. Next, again once, என்னென்ன பார்த்தோம் நம்ம? Hard words, true or false, and tick the correct answer and give one word answers. This is full and full, you can read well. This is only first part. Okay, so read and write the answers. படிச்சுட்டு எழுதி பாருங்கள். இந்த 1 மார்க்லாம் கொஷின் எழுதிட்டு ஆன்சர் எழுதி பாருங்கள். கேன் ரீட் ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின், அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின், ஆஃப்டர் யூ கேன் ரைட் ஆன்சர், ரீட் அண்ட் ரைட் த ஆன்சர். நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ட்டு ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங் பார்ட்டு செகண்ட் பார்ட்டில் பார்ப்போம் இந்த லெசன்ஸில். ஸோ ரீட் வெல். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ.